spinning class, you have to have a lot of strength in your legs. And if you don't have that because you're constantly, fighting inflammation because your knee is not where it should be, it's painful. So now I don't have that pain and I can do those full sprints, I could do those hard climbs, whereas before I couldn't. I was bone on bone and a lot of wear and tear, cumulative, just from teaching numerous classes over the years, taking injections for my knees, and nothing was helping. And actually, my girlfriend, who's a physical therapist, had told me about the Conformis. She said, you need to look into this. It's designed for younger, active adults. Well, after the surgery, I could teach dance classes, and I could also do squats, and I could do yoga poses, which I couldn't before because I lacked the flexibility. Now I teach 12 classes a week. I teach 6 spinning classes. I teach 3 Pilates classes. I teach 3 bootcamp classes. I'm always on the go, always. I'm in my car constantly, going from one place to another. Visit maybe 5 or 6 different locations in one day. And with having my total knee replacement, I couldn't do all that. I had to stop and take a break, ice my knee, rest, because I was in pain. I couldn't be in a bent leg position for prolonged periods of time. The big change is not being in pain, and I'm so happy I did it. And so now it's nice that I can push hard, push hardcore without pain. Your hamstrings, your glutes, but your knees have to be in good condition in order to push hard in these classes. Conformis has made my life so much easier and definitely life-changing. Definitely life-changing.